Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Starlink not showing up on Wi-Fi in 2026. So first of all, you just have to make sure that your Starlink router is powered on. You can check if the indicator light is on and stable. If there is no light, you can reconnect the power cable or you can try a different outlet. Once the power is confirmed, simply move to the next step. Now you just have to perform a full restart. For that, you just have to unplug the Starlink router from the power, then wait for about 1 minute and then plug it back in. Give it a few minutes to fully boot and broadcast the Wi-Fi network. This often restores the network visibility. Now you can go to your phone or your laptop's Wi-Fi setting. Just make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on and you can also refresh the networks list. Also check if you are not connected to another network automatically because sometimes the network is there but not selected. Finally, if the network still doesn't appear, you can perform a router reset using the reset button or power cycling multiple times as required. So this is going to restore the settings to default and also bring the network back. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.